guys? I am super pumped because we are hitting the track today. Did a bunch of test runs in the McLaren. If you didn't see that video, I was able to hit 0 to 60 in, actually, just check out the video and you'll see. It's unbelievably impressive. I got myself a carbon fiber racing helmet, so we're good to go on the track. There's only one problem. Yesterday, at the end of filming, I must have either ran over a sharp rock or a nail. I haven't been able to check it out yet because I headed directly to my friend's house in the E63, but my tire is completely flat. I'm super bummed, guys. I really wanted to take the McLaren out on the track today. Unfortunately, I've got a ton of tires, but they're all 20 inches in diameter. These are 19s, and well, actually, every single measurement on the tire is wrong. The good news is the drag events are happening every single week, so all I gotta do is just get a new tire, and we'll be good to go for the next session. Got my new badass carbon fiber helmet rolling with me in the passenger seat. Matches the interior quite nicely. It was so weird, they had a gloss carbon helmet that I think looked cooler, but for some reason the gloss carbon version of the exact same helmet wasn't Snell rated, and I need a Snell rated helmet for the drag strip. Launch test! This car launches so damn hard. It is ridiculous. Honestly, the first 20 miles an hour of the pull in this car is one of the most intense acceleration feelings of any car I have ever driven. It just hooks and launches off the line. So my goal for the day is to run an 11-second flat quarter mile. Stock, this car should do about an 11.4. So I'm hoping with the extra horsepower, for those of you who don't know, it's VF tuned, 740 horsepower, it should be able to run an 11-second quarter mile. Now, the only unfortunate part is there are no quarter mile drag strips, to my knowledge, within a 2-hour radius of where I live in Los Angeles. Correct me if I'm wrong. If you know of an awesome drag strip with a quarter mile, comment in the comment section below. But we are headed to Irwindale Speedway, which has an 8th mile drag strip. Now, I looked up some conversions. I'm not positive how accurate these are. I'm hoping they're relatively accurate, but it seems like the equivalent of a quarter mile in 11 seconds converted to an 8th mile is just over 7 seconds. So 7.05 seconds in the 8th mile. So that is my target, 7.05. Comment in the comment section below, guys. What do you think the E63 is gonna run? 7 seconds, 8 seconds, 6.9? Guess we'll find out. Dude, those glasses again.
Oh, what's up?
What's up, Sebastian?
How are you?
I'm gonna call you Nerf. We got Spencer. What's good, dude? We got James. James is rocking the Camaro today. What are you trying to run?
I have no clue. It's actually the first time I've ever run it.
All right.
We'll see.
I guess we'll see. I'm hoping for an 11 flat in this car. Then we got Alex over there. Freaking carbon fiber helmet, boys. Yeah, dude, pull her out. Let me see it. So he actually already modified his helmet to make it look way, way cooler.
You did?
Yeah, he ripped off these things on the top, and now it looks way sicker. What are you trying to run today?
7 would be good.
Word? All right, we're ready, boys. Sitting in some bumper-to-bumper LA traffic. Figured I needed some protection. I need to lower this seat, though. Holy crap, my head's just jammed up here. Throwback to when I ran my S-Class on the drag strip. Fake M3 Busta. Glasses are killing me. Pulling up to Irwindale. Woo! Alrighty, time to fill out the tech inspection form. I'm freaking pumped to be here. I haven't been to the drag strip since Michigan days. So it's gonna be awesome to run the E63 for the first time, and I'm incredibly curious to see how it does against the M3. That thing is tuned, it is unbelievably fast. It's about 800 pounds lighter as well, so hopefully we can get a head-to-head race. All right, we're lining up in the staging area, about to go head-to-head against the M3. It's on, dude. Yep. You wearing your helmet or not? Nope. Dude, look at the tires on this thing. Absolute beast.
At the stripe is Lucas Lane, 856 to a 912 Mercedes. Gonna take on the BMW. You got two Autobahn bombers getting ready to go.
He took off pretty late. His reaction time was 0.8 seconds. But hopefully we get a cleaner run than that. Car felt good, launched well. All right, so I'm about to run a Hellcat on slicks. He's been running pretty similar times as me, so this should be a killer race. I'm excited. Racing a Hellcat in an E63, it's gonna be good. All right, we're about to run the Hellcat. Holy crap! Wow, that was a perfect race. Wow, that was sick. Damn, he got me. I ran a 7.28 and he ran a 7.166. The first race I would have had him. That was awesome. That was the sickest race. I have never had a race at a drag strip where the mirrors were literally touching basically the entire time. I got a really good reaction time. For some reason, I trapped a little bit lower, 2 miles an hour slower, and I had a 1/10 of a second slower ET. But damn, those two cars are neck and neck. We're gonna run it back because that was an awesome, awesome race. So that first race I ran against my buddy in his M3. It was his first time ever at the strip, so the lights were confusing. The first couple times I ran down the drag strip, I really had no idea what I was doing. Basically, to get the best possible reaction time, once you line up at the tree, those two sets of two lights go, then on the third yellow light, so it goes yellow, 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 then green, you wanna leave on the third yellow, because if you wait for it to turn green, your reaction time is going to be absolutely garbage. But had a good race against him. He's still figuring out launch control and the tree, but his trap speed on the last one, 98 miles an hour, is pretty freaking solid. From a roll, this car is impressively close to the E63. Let's check out what else they got at the track. One of the coolest races I saw, unfortunately I wasn't able to film it, was this X6M against the Trackhawk over there. Dead even, these two cars, both stock. Pretty cool to see two 6,000-pound SUVs run against each other. E60 M5. Look at that thing. Woo! Keep that ZR1 badge on a non-ZR1. This thing has Lambo doors. Ooh, we got a Dodge Demon. Check out that plate though. Having never run an 1/8 mile before, at first I was a little bit disappointed that it wasn't a 1/4 mile, but honestly, I'm having so much more fun than I was expecting. It is a downright blast. And seriously, if you guys have the need for speed, you want to push your cars, come to the drag strip. I'm gonna come here a lot more. I think as many Thursdays as I possibly can. Irwindale Speedway, let's see you guys there. I've met some awesome fans today. It's been a blast meeting you guys. I'm just enjoying this car, man. So I don't know if the Demon is stock or not, but apparently he ran a 644 at 109 miles an hour. That is fast. You getting tips from a fellow Beamer owner?
Oh yeah.
All right, this hybrid Honda Insight started up, and it is definitely not a hybrid anymore. Check this out. This is crazy. What kind of motor do you have in this thing?
A K20.
K20? Dude, it sounds awesome.
Yeah, it's just open header. That's it.
Freaking crazy. That's actually one of the funniest builds I have ever seen. I gotta get that thing starting up and racing because it sounds ridiculous.
Hey, watch this Eva right here.
Oh my God. What did it run?
I don't know, what was
7-1,
it? Something like that. It was stupid bad. He did a burnout and the whole car's went wow. I was
awesome.
like, I've never seen an Evo do burnout like that. I was insane.
Dude, you gotta see this Honda Insight over there. It's got like hybrid stickers on it and has a freaking K20 motor in it. It's actually ridiculous. I like how my Lamborghini didn't have Lamborghini doors, but the C6 does. Bro, I want to see this Ford run down the 1/4 mile. Look how big this thing is. Oh, it's got the don't f with me wheels. Jesus. Holy crap. Yeah, stand next to it for its size.
I'm 6'1".
That's nuts. That sounds good. Look at this bug. Oh my God. Show that anything can happen when you're drag racing. The BMW M3 over there lost to a 5 Series with a fake M badge on it. Damn it. All right, so Mustang swinging it.
Mustang swinging it, almost hits the wall.
Oh my God. First time at the track, Spencer. How is it?
Well, it's the drag strip. It's lit.
It's freaking dope.
So many sick cars here. Which one of them is sick?
It's dope.
What are you thinking?
Dope.
That is one hell of a bumper sticker. Time for the last race of the night, going up against the Hellcat again. That last race was too close. We got to see what happens. All right, dude, last race of the night. That first one was nuts. Let's see how it goes. All right, I doubt you can see anything because it's really dark out, but last race of the night, going against the Hellcat. Let's see. I mean, it was a dead even race, the first one. That was so awesome. I'm excited to run it back again. If I get a perfect launch and it's a little bit colder, I guess we'll see what happens. Oh, it's dead even again. Oh, that was freaking close. 2 freaking awesome races against the Hellcat. Hell yeah. All right, let's see. Let's see. What up? All right, well, I got the fastest pass I've had of the night, 7:104, and he ran a 7:149. Hell yeah, faster than the Hellcat. Woo! Check out how close this race was. So the Hellcat was on the left, I was on the right. we had the exact same trap speed of 100.23. I had the fastest time of the night with 7.104. His reaction time was a little bit better, so he crossed the line first. But the E63 was faster than the Hellcat. That is crazy. Well guys, that was an absolute blast running my car for the first time at the drag strip, hanging out with friends. Craziest race against this Hellcat. I have never seen a closer race. I've never been a part of a closer race. It just makes it so much more fun. You can see I looked over and both of us are freaking out in the car. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the drag strip content, leave a comment in the comment section below to let me know, and we'll bring some more drag content to you. I want to come back next week, especially in the McLaren. Look forward to seeing you next video.